1986 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, 305 small block Chevy power. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. There's a good look at the front grille. Chrome on the bumper, headlight bezels. Red over red. Check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the interior, engine bay, undersides, bed, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on a little more modern Chevy wheel. Rubber's in good shape, date coded 2024 and 2025. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see around those wheel wells. It's not all corroded, rusted. There's a few nicks, chips, real minor spots, has been repainted along the way. Overall, nice looking truck, fun truck for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Of course, this body style has become very popular in the past years. There's a good look at the passenger side. Sorry about the focus. Sometimes I get these real bright red trucks that wants to search a little bit on me. You'll be able to see the truck from every angle in the still pictures also. Coming around to the rear, take a look at the rear bumper. Tailgate, decent shape. Couple little spots again, bed of it. Not all banged up, doesn't look like it was worked too hard. And again, all those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are 75% in the front and the rear. I mentioned the tires, good shape. Front left running light and side marker were in op. Does have holes in the muffler. Appeared the catalytic converter was intact underneath there. Check out those still pictures. If you like Chevy trucks or just trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. You get a good look at the driver's side. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Mentioned the red over red, a little darker red on the interior. Vinyl and cloth combination as far as the seats go. And I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything major there. Seat belts intact. I did not have the stereo working either. Just heads up on that. Fired up. Again, 305 Chevy small block. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. It's like Scottsdale trim level. Visors in place. Door closes nicely. It'll slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Let it warm up a little bit. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, as he usually does. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pop this hood. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll get the hood open. Like I said, let it warm up just a bit. We'll check out the engine bay. All right, it's warmed up a little bit. There's the hood popped. On low idle, chokes off. Give you an idea how it runs there. 305, small block. And once again, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. It has been converted. The 134A battery disconnect here for when it's in storage in between drives. running smooth. You want to hear it from behind on the low idle also. There you go, 1986 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. Remember, Jason's going to take it for a drive if you want to see how it goes down the road. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in a 1986 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. A beautiful square body, red on red. We got red interior for the most part. A little bit of black accents. Even the rubber mat on the floor is red. Looking good. Nicely painted inside of the bed. Brakes are smooth. Acceleration also very smooth. The AC blows cold in this truck. We have a very nice power steering. Corners about the way you'd expect. Maybe a little better than expected. As far as leaning in the corners, it's not bad. You get a little bit of wind noise from those wing windows, but hey, we've got wing windows. Bonus. The fuel gauge reading a little over half. The temperature gauge right about half as well. The oil pressure is a quarter of the way up, which is looking like 20 pounds of pressure on the factory gauge. The battery gauge reading over 14 volts. So we are charging as we should. There is a little warping right here in the dash. On the dash pad at least. We have a sliding rear window and windshield antenna. I don't know if you ever noticed that. A certain era of vehicles had this tiny little line in the windshield for an antenna, so you don't have to worry about having one on the outside or one of those power ones that goes up and down or anything like that. Find all the pictures of this 1986 Chevrolet C10 at UniqueClassicCars.com.